All right, now in step 4, we said there's an error. We put that 6x in both positions, and that couldn't have possibly been true. It wouldn't have worked out to be true, but we're going to correct that now. What we're going to do is we're going to look at each of these separately. Let's look at this one first and say, is there some common number we can divide the numbers by? Can we divide 6 and 14 by the same number? And yeah, those are both multiples of 2, so we're going to divide those numbers by 2. Okay, and we're going to separately do that here. Can we divide either both of these numbers by the same thing? And these are actually both multiples of 3. So we're going to divide both of those by 3. And what we're going to get then as a result is still that negative 2 times, if we do the 6x divided by 2, we get 3x. And that 14 divided by 2 is going to be 7. And if we divide the 6x by 3, we get 2x. And if we divide the negative 15 by 3, we get negative 5. Okay? Not that we're done, but that's essentially corrected the error that we made since what the numbers we put in were too big, and now we've kind of made them smaller. Yep, so that's step 9.